Hey everyone, this is Dave. I'm out here at a place called Transvaal, Nevada. Back in 1906, some guys discovered what they thought was placer gold out here, and a tent city sprang up real fast. Within a week, there was 700 to 800 people living out here. You could see, take a look. This is what all their trash leftovers are. Town sprang up real fast. It was had a couple saloons, an essay office, and everything was just made out of tents. There was no buildings out here. I'm going to try metal detecting all around here. It's kind of a remote, hidden place way out here, and I'm going to see if I can find anything today. I brought my trusty companion, little girl, LG. Brought my old trusty companion, LG. When I was out in Dolan Springs, she was come here. She thinks there's something out there. I'm trying to point her to something. But found her out in Dolan Springs. She's probably about 12 years old now. She's getting gray in the mouth and the head area. But yeah, I'm gonna metal detect all around here. I'm also gonna try some placer gold mining out there with the Mine Lab 7000 GPZ. But right now I'm gonna use the Equinox. I got the good old Nox here and try you know, hunting all around this area where this tent city was. But within 3 weeks, this town was completely gone. So it had from 800 people to completely no people in 3 weeks. As everybody came here and thought, oh, you know, there's a lot of gold. There was another like Goldfield, Rhyolite, stuff like that, another town like that. But of course, there was nothing here found, so everybody within 3 weeks was gone. But I'll let you guys know what I find. Dave out. Hey everyone, a neat thing I got lately is called this Parrot Anafi, little drone. I'm going to send it up. It's a little windy today, sprinkles on and off, but I'm going to send it up, kind of get an aerial imagery of the whole place, and post it online, let you guys see. If you know, you guys like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'm gonna send her on up and show you guys something pretty neat with this little drone. It's all ready to go. much done in this area detecting. I didn't find much. Found buttons, old Levi's buttons and stuff like that. But, you know, right near this old trash side, look at this. I want to show you guys this pretty neat stuff here. It's an old stovepipe. And check this out. It's like a, look how ornate that is. That's pretty neat looking. How they built that and everything. But, yeah, it looks like, you know, a little old stove or something is part of it, and held some pots in there to cook with, stuff like that. But if you guys know what else it is, leave a comment down below. Let me know exactly what it is. That'd be interesting to know some of the history out here. But I'll show you some of the buttons and stuff I got. Here's see some of the buttons I got here. Really old Levi's buttons and stuff. But here's some old writing on there, and it looks like it says SF Gal at the bottom, Lazard at the middle, La Sterling Lazard SF Gal. So just looks like an old woman's makeup, I believe, old woman's makeup kit, kept her makeup in. It's just kind of neat, some old stuff out here. I've seen a lot of other dig holes around here, so I believe somebody else out here over the years just been searching for relics and coins and stuff. I haven't had any luck on coins. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go way out there and metal detect some of the ravines. Actually, I'm going to try that first. There's an old mine right up there. You can see on the top of that hill coming down. But there's an old ravine I saw on Google Earth that's through there. It looks pretty good, has some bedrock and everything. I'm going to try detecting through there. And if I'm not successful, I'm going to go way down there. There's an old riverbed down there. It's the, I believe, the Beatty riverbed. But I'm going to try down there and see what I can get. I'll continue searching, and I'll let you guys know if I find anything. But just some interesting stuff out here. I'm gonna try metal detecting another spot as I was coming in here. Show you coming down this road here. Way down there, saw an old encampment too. I'm gonna try down there on the way out and see how I do. But I'll let you guys know. All right, thanks. Bye. Okay, I decided to come over the ridge to this mine and try to hunt some of the ravine down here. I want to give you guys a look at this ravine down here and take a look at the soil. Just look at that. Look how nice and red all that is out there. Anyways, there's a old mine here too. It's called the Transvaal mine. It looks like I don't know, somebody's probably got a load claim on it. Probably looks pretty recent. Take a look here. See if I can hold this camera, do this at the same time. Unpatent mining quitclaim deed. Department of Land Transfer, Wyoming Corporation. Quitclaim to Anthony Kennedy, whose mailing address is Pahrump, Nevada. The Transvaal mine lode claim. Mount Diablo Meridian, Nye County, Nevada. This is in the process of replacing posts that were stolen. Owner, Anthony Kennedy, Pahrump, Nevada. Backside. Well, we'll replace this. Make sure keep his claim here. Kind of interesting to see sometimes who owns these claims, how long ago it was, stuff like that. But let's see if I can fold this sucker back up and put it right back where it was here. There we go. Anyways, here's a nice shaft going down. See if we can take a look at this. Danger. Hey, hey, that means you. Hey, hey, what are you doing in there? Don't you see? Danger. Yeah, you're gonna get clobbered by this. Anyways, we're gonna do it. A lot of times I'll go inside. I won't go down in it, but I'll get a few rocks here. Barbed wire. Sticky. Wear these crappy old jackets. Yeah, I don't know. We'd rather go over there on that platform. Don't go over there. Here I am going over there. Let's take a look here. She's a deep one. There's a nice ladder going down right there. Old ladder, looks like. Geronimo! It's probably about 50 feet down, but it looks like there's another shaft that connects with down there. Anyways, get back to safe ground here. I'm gonna keep searching, and I'm gonna go down to that ravine down there, use the GPZ 7000, see if I can pick anything up. I'll let you guys know.